One of the main purposes that I make these videos is to help people out there who are in family court representing themselves. And I think it's time for another tip. And if you're new here, my name is Carrie. I'm a lawyer, and I'm also the owner of Strategic Family Law, which is a marital and family law firm in Florida. Let's roll the tape.
What does a judge notice immediately when parents walk into court?
Your clothing, your hair, your demeanor. Most importantly, how you look at the other parent. Are you looking at them with a vengeance look, like I'm gonna tear you apart, you piece of shit? Or are you looking at them, let's try to cooperate and get into some type of a co-parenting agreement? So yeah, that's the first thing the judge will.
I've talked about this before, but the importance of this idea cannot be overstated. It's unfortunate, but something that commonly happens in family court is that a party will walk in and suddenly start alleging that their co-parent can't properly care for the children due to mental health issues or some other limitation that they suddenly have. The best way to dispel these allegations, if they're being made against you, is to show the court the exact opposite. And this is where appearances matter. This is why I often tell my clients before we walk into court that behavior is of the utmost importance. No snickering, no rolling your eyes, no laughing, no huffing and puffing, no staring at the other party, no scowling at the judge. All these things paint a picture to the court of how you're feeling and who you are. And our judges are human. They're going to take those cues and then start making conclusions about you. Now, no one is saying that you have to walk in acting like everything is great and that you're happy and so glad to be there. Obviously, you're in court. It's uncomfortable. But if you can stay just cordial, professional, and neutral, that'll be enough to show the court that you're serious about what's happening. And it'll also show the court that you can control yourself and that you can put aside any negative feelings that you're experiencing to stay focused and on task while you're there with the judge. That'll speak volumes about the way that you'll parent when the judge is no longer in front of you. Practice in front of the mirror. Take deep breaths. Meditate. Pray. Do whatever you need to do. But when you walk into that courtroom, this is how you want to act. And if you need help, call me. Let's talk it through.